What's up guys, welcome back to another new video. So today in this video I'm going to show you how to get a saddle in Minecraft 1.21.6. So basically the saddle lets you ride mobs like camels, horses, donkeys and mules. So basically if you can craft a saddle you can just ride any one of these. So the first step or the first way to get a saddle is by crafting it. So to craft it, we basically need three leather and one iron ingot. So three leathers, one, two, three, and one iron ingot. And here we go. We have formed a saddle. So the second way is loot chests. You can also find saddles in various chests, like in dungeon, you can find saddles in the chests with a spawn rate of 27.9%. In ancient cities, chests having saddle have the probability of 16.1%. Hogland Stables has 12%. Desert Pyramid has 23.5%. End City have a percentage of 13.3%. Jungle Pyramids have a percentage of 12.9. Nether Fortresses 35.3%. Stronghold Altar 2.5%. Weaponsmith Villager 16.2%. Savannah House 11.3%, Tanner's Chest 17.3%. Okay, so another way to get saddle is by fishing. So basically, a regular fishing rod has a chance of 0.8% to get a saddle from the sea. And if we switch to an enchanted fishing rod with enchantment called Luck of the Sea 3, it increases the chance up to 1.9%. And basically, what this enchantment does is it increases the treasure chances and reducing getting junk from the sea, like fish or something else. Furthermore, in Java Edition, you need open water with space 5 into 4 into 5 for better chance, meaning the place where your bob lands should have enough space below and above it and on its sides. Another method to get saddle is by villager trading. So basically, a leather worker with cauldron trade saddle at master level. So basically, we have 100% chance in Java Edition if we upgrade him to a master level and a 50% chance in bedrock. So usually a saddle costs 6 emeralds, so we can trade with him. And this is the saddle. However, in my case, the thing is, I unfortunately hit him a couple of times, due to which he has increased the price to 26. Lastly, mobs like Striders and Ravagers drop saddles when killed with a 100% drop rate. Striders can be sheared for a saddle without killing them. So let's check if this is true. So this is a Strider. So if I use the shears on him, as you can see, I got an extra saddle. And this is a Ravager. So when killed, they also drop saddles, as you can see. So if you want to find a Ravager, you can trigger them by Bad Omen effect during the raids. You can find them, and you can hunt them down. And that's pretty much for this guide, guys. If you need any more tips and tricks, do leave a like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you very much.